Ever pondered about the significance of vitamin D for children during the chilly winter months? Well, buckle up for an enlightening journey into the world of this vital, yet often overlooked nutrient. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, plays a crucial role in our bodies. It's like the silent guardian, the unseen protector of our health. It aids in the absorption of calcium and phosphate, two minerals necessary for the development of strong, healthy bones. A lack of vitamin D can lead to bone deformities in children, such as rickets, a condition characterized by soft and weak bones. But here's the catch. Our primary source of vitamin D is sunlight. When our skin is exposed to the sun's rays, it naturally produces vitamin D. However, during the winter months, the sun may seem like a distant memory. Shorter days, longer nights, and colder temperatures mean we spend more time indoors. This lack of sunlight exposure can lead to a decrease in the natural production of vitamin D in our bodies. Now imagine this scenario for children. They're bundled up in multiple layers, their exposure to the sun is minimal, and they're spending most of their time indoors. It's a perfect storm for a vitamin D deficiency. So, what can be done to ensure children receive an adequate amount of vitamin D during winter? Firstly, incorporate vitamin D-rich foods into their diet. Foods like oily fish, red meat, liver, egg yolks, and fortified foods like certain cereals and spreads can help boost vitamin D levels. Secondly, consider vitamin D supplements. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends a daily supplement of 400 international units for infants less than a year old, and 600 international units for children aged 1 and up during winter months. To recap, vitamin D is vital for children, especially in winter when sunlight exposure is limited. It plays a crucial role in bone health, and a deficiency can lead to bone deformities. Incorporating vitamin D-rich foods into their diet and considering supplements can help ensure kids get the vitamin D they need. Remember, every child is different, so it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant changes to their diet or supplement routine. After all, ensuring the health and well-being of our children is a responsibility we all share. And there you have it, a quick dive into the importance of vitamin D for kids in winter. Stay tuned for more enlightening health topics. Until next time, keep those vitamin D levels up and stay healthy.